Struggling with broken icons and shortcuts in Windows 11? Here's how to fix them fast. To do this, right-click the Windows key and choose the Run item. After this, type this and hit Enter. Control Folders. This shall open the Folder Options tab. Quickly visit the View tab. In the Hidden Files and Folders section, choose the Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives tab. Now, all you have to do is to save the changes. So, tap Apply and OK. Now, open a new Run panel. Next, paste this in there and click OK. %locale appdata%. In there, you will find the IconCache file. This file keeps the cache file of the icons on your desktop. So, select the file and tap the bin icon to delete the file from the device. You have to know the main installation directory of the shortcut file. If you don't know that, search for the application directly from Search. Next, right-click the app in there and tap the Open File Location prompt. In some cases, this will take you just to the Shortcuts folder. So, find out the main executable once again. Right-click that file there and tap Open File Location one more time. So, come back to the shortcut file on the desktop or in another location. Later, right-click the file and tap Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab there. Compare the target and the actual location you have traced earlier. In case of any disparity, you have to manually fix that and save the changes. Just go to the location of the application installed on your system. Otherwise, run a search using the search box and trace it to there. When you are there, right-click the app executable file there and tap Show More Options. Next, select the Send To and use the Desktop Shortcut item. Check whether a File Explorer instance is running. You will notice the tab directly in the File Explorer. Otherwise, pressing the Win plus E keys should do the trick. Now, hit the Win plus X keys from your keyboard. A context tab will elevate, so tap Task Manager. Find the File Explorer process on that page. Right-tap the File Explorer process and tap Restart. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.